My name is Hunter Julian. I'm a police captain with the Stillwater Police Department. I've worked here for about 10 years. This is the second time I have dealt with a flood in our city. We have this beautiful river community, but it does flood every once in a while when we have a lot of snow. So this is the second time. The first time was 2019. Now we are dealing with some major flooding this year. So the city does a very good job preparing for these floods. We've been dealing with floods for many years. We kind of have it down to a science, but we are using some new tools and technology this year. So we are utilizing Street Smart's cameras. We have 2 rental camera trailers downtown, one on the far north end and one on the far south end of the flood area. We have those areas all gated off, fenced off, so people aren't supposed to come past those fences. What they're doing for us is our officers are able to monitor those cameras 24/7. They're able to pull up on a computer in our mobile command center live footage from those cameras. And also there's a geofence connected to those cameras in our flood area, so we're able to get an alert, especially at night and different things when somebody crosses into the fence area, which we have had issues with. Our downtown area holds a lot of events every year, just to monitor areas that we don't want people in, or monitor areas that, you know, maybe we have a lost child or something like that and we need to find somebody quickly. I can really see them helping out with that as well. So for this process, I've been working with Connor and Remington with Street Smart. They've been great as far as helping us out, deploying the trailers quickly. They sent a team to help train us, and so we know how to use it. Our officers know how to use the trailers, and they were really very receptive to any issues or questions that we had. It's nice to know that if there was any issues or if we needed them moved or deployed to a different area, that the team would be there to help us out, so we can focus on public safety and not have to focus on moving or tech things with the cameras.